Assalamu alaikum, savatdoshlar, tinchlikmi?
Yaxshi.
Mənggۆtək sinifə kelganlarga qarşı olamiz. Hozir ikkinchi darsni hamda o'tamiz. Oldingi dars vaqtimizda shu Mənggۆtək tor betini sizlarga ko'kitib, oldingi yil neyim darslarni o'tdik, sizlarga bir qur so'zlab berdik. Bu darsda sizlarga amaliy mashq qiladigan chiroqni shuni ishlatamiz. Buning uchun oldi bilan sizlarga 20 minut dars so'zlab beraman. Uning keyindan qahvat qilamiz, musobaqa qilsizlar. Yaxshi qayta qilib anglanglar. Chunki ba'zan bir musobaqaningki temalari shu nimaga dars bilan munosabatli. 20 minutdan keyin musobaqa, undan keyindan sizlarga taqlid shu uskun yasaymiz billa. Nahvasa shu chiroqni o'ylasanglar oddiy, ammo bizning turmushimizga intayin jiq bir qulayliklarni olib keldi-da. Hozirgi zamonda hamma yerda chiroqlar bor. Shu oddiy narsalar orqali nurg'un narsalarni yasab o'taymiz. O'ylab baqsaq, sizlarga oldingi qatimda nimani darsni planini so'zlagandim. Hozircha birinchi qadamda Tinkercad deganni so'zlaymiz. Bu taqlid qilgan. Uning keyin Arduino barabara murakkablashib Scratch, modeling, robotics ni so'zlaymiz. Okay? In second class, we're going to talk about a number of topics. The first, we will learn about Tinkercad. It's a very good simulation environment. Then we will talk about hardware so that we can create various tools. Then you will learn about coding, 3D modeling, and the robotics. This is very interesting. So I will use both Uyghur and English because we have two different groups. And if you already attended the lecture before, this is a very good chance to learn English. And you can join the Tinkercad class. This is the link. Yeah, this is the link. This is our class. This is our business sınıf. Şu bu sınıfta qatnaşsanglar, hamma o'quvchilarning nima ish qilayotganligini hammani ko'ralab turalaymiz. Agar buni 3 haftagacha ishlatmasanglar, balkim sinfdan chiqarib o'tishimiz mumkin. Bugundan boshlab. Shunga buniga qatnashsanglar, mushunda nurg'ulg'an faoliyatlarni olib bora olasizlar. And more about the Arduino, where we can buy it. Nereden setib olalaymiz degan savollar chiqdi. Mushu Mənggۆtəkning tor betida buy Arduino kit degan yer bor. Mushu Arduino kit degani Yevropada yoki Amerika taraflarida bo'lsanglar, mushundan foydalanib, mushunga o'xshash Arduino kitni setib olsanglar bo'ldi. Agar Turkiyada bo'lsanglar, sizlarga bir link yaratdik, ashunga tizimlasanglar, hammanglarga bir tutash azan shakl setirib berib bo'ldi, ammo buning bilan biz hech qanday foydalanmaymiz. If you want to buy Arduino kit, you can go to the buy Arduino kit link. So there's the word Arduino kit, and that's common for everyone. So you can use it even for last year. Many students use it, and this year you also can use it as well. So it's the same. You can make a very simple system, and you can make a very advanced system. Okay? And if you are in Turkey, then we sent one link. So you can register and you can buy it cheaply. But we will not get any benefit. No money for us. Okay, we always put the course materials and the links. So this is very useful link so that you can go to the link to attend the lecture. and also we have a YouTube channel. Bizning YouTube kanalı bor. YouTube kanaliga borsanglar, har bir darsni record qilib turamiz. We record every lecture. So you can, if you miss some lecture or if you wanted to listen again, we will record it. And if you wanted to learn more in English tutor bitti. Yeah, if you wanted to learn more in English, then you can go to the English websites, and there's a lot more useful information, and you can follow our lecture. Then there will be competition, so please pay attention. Try to remember some of the stuff. Bizda lela bir musobaqa bor. Shunga ma'ni bilib olinglar. Uyg'urchani bilish muhim, ammo inglizchani bilish muhim. Chunki texniklik so'zliklarning hammasi inglizcha. It's important to know Uyghur so that you are number one in your studies everywhere. It's very important. And then another is you need to know the English as well, because all vocabularies and many things in English. Okay, at first let's look at some vocabulary and systems. Oldi bilan mushu system to'g'riliq ko'rib baqaylik. Bizda nima bor degan chog'da har xil systemlar bor. Shunami? Sezgichlar, badan temperatura degandek. Okay, let me just speak more in English. Sezgich is the sensors. Sezgich, sensors. It's very close. Then there's analog. It's similar. And then we have various sensors. This is the input. Her xil sistemlar bor. Bunda kirgizgich sistemlar. Input. Undaqda bular qaslar temperature sensor. Uyg'urchasiga o'xshash. It's same as the temperature sensor. Light sensor, nur sezgich, potentiometer, Uyg'urchasimi potentiometer. Sensors is all sezgich. Undan keyin har xil narsa yasaymiz. Bu faqat bir turi. This is just one kind. If you buy a tool set, then you will get a complete sort of many different sensors. And there's some special words that you need to remember. Some of them easier, some of them a bit hard. For example, slide switch. In Uyghur, is chat. Chat degan chetish degan gap. Chat, chetish, uzish. Chetish, uzish. Uz chat. Uz chat. Uz chat. Mana qaranglar. Uyg'urchasi intay to'g'ri bek yaxshi ma'noda bor. Shunga Uyg'urchani bilib olish bir xil sizlarga bir nima qildi. Uni his qilishni uchun. Uz chat. Undan keyindan harakat sezgich bor. PIR sensor deydi. Har xil bir kishi mengvatamdi. Undan keyindan ya o'g'ir kirib qoldimi, ashuna o'xshash harakatlarni sezgichlar bor. Buni kelgusidagimiz bir-birlab, hozir hammasi emas. You need to understand the English and Uyghur. Moisture sensor, namlik sezgich. Moisture, namlik. Mushuni o'xshash faqat bir bugun mushunchilik so'zliklarni o'rganib turamiz. Undan keyindan texnik jiqaroq o'rganamiz. Mushlarni hamma ishlatamiz. We will learn the sensors one by one, but we will not use all of them today. We only use LED chiroqni ishlatamiz bugun, ammo ma'nosini o'qib olamani. Bugun faqat chiroq. Undaqda nega ulaymiz chiroqni? Deganda digital input degan yeri bor. Arduino has digital input and output. Input and output. Raqamli kirish va chiqish. Digital raqam degan gap. Raqam degan son degan gap. 1 2 degandek-chi. Digital input raqamli kirish. Arduino'niki bunda sonliq yeri bor. 1 2 3 deb tepida qarasanglar, shu 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 5 mushu sonlarga ulaydigan gap. Buni raqamli kirish va chiqish. sizlarga boshqa narsani so'zlamayman. Oldi bilan muhim narsa shu. Bugun ishlatadigan yerimiz mana shu. Birinchisi chiroq, undan keyindan raqamli kirish va chiqish. We're going to use just the LED. Then we'll just connect to digital output. Then we will use a Tinkercad. So Tinkercad, you already maybe seen what's a Tinkercad from our link from last year, and we provided video lectures. Also, there's English website as well. If anyone wanted to learn more about English, this is a very good chance for you. You can use both English and Uyghur. So you can go to Mەڭگۆتەك for Uyghur. Then for English, you can go to this website, or you can just right click. You can translate it to English as well. So it's a very easy tool. For the first several lectures, we don't need to buy Arduino. Birinchi shu necha haftalik darslarga, balkim bir oy darslarga Tinkercadni ishlatamiz. Faqat tahlil qilamiz. Shunga qattiq detal bo'lsa, Arduino the kit bo'lsa, uni ishlatsangiz bo'ldi. But for the first lectures, you don't need to buy it, but it's important to buy one so that your kids can test it and try it. Okay, so how we can use a Tinkercad? Actually, we put this link on the website. That's qarsanglar, we already put it the lecture on the website. So yes. This one. Tinkercad is this one. If you go to the Tinkercad, it has various processes that you can work on it. This has both English and Uyghur. Sizlarga manaki PDF-ni Zoom'da ma'batib berdi. Torbetiga qo'yib qo'ydik. Ham torbetida tushira olasizlar buni. Mana shu o'tayotgan darslarni. Undan keyin Zoom'dan qo'yib qo'ydik. You can find the slides of my lecture from Zoom link and as well as from the website as well. We will have a quiz, just let me talk 5 minutes. Okay, so this has two parts, one English, another Uyghur. This is Uyghur. If you go back, you can see English, and it's just the same, yeah, Uyghur and English. And the Tinkercad is a nice thing. You can do the simulation, you can give comments, and you can do many things for that. Yes, you can also set it to Turkish as well. Ama Tinkercadni Turkcha mi qila olasizlar? Germancha mi qila olasizlar? Shvetsiyacha, balkim har xil tillarda bo'lishi mumkin. Sizlarning savodoshlaringiz dunyoning hamma yerida bor. Yevropadagi Angliya, Germaniya, Shvetsiya, shu hamma davlatlarda bor. You have classmates in almost whole world, in US, in Europe, in different countries. So you can use different languages. Tinkercad can be in German, English, Swedish, so it's not a problem. But I put it only in English and Uyghur. So if you look at the first is title, there's a test. So you can just use the file name. You can change name. Hujjatning ismi. File name. And then what you can do is you can do various operations. You can select a component and then you can rotate it. Qandaq bir asbobni ilib, sizlar buni chugilta olasizlar. Chugiltish. Delete, you can delete it. This is a rotate. And this is for the deletion. And this is undo and do. If you look at them, orqaga qaytirish, oldiga mangdirish degandek. Undan keyin nima bo'ladi degan chaqda izohat, annotation is izohat. Musha annotation degan ma'u shu. Ma i qarasanglar ma i degan nuqtasi kelgan chaqda annotation birab xat yoza olasizlar. That's how we communicate. Sizlar izohat yozib qo'ysanglar, men tushuna olmayman. Sizlarning qilayotganingizni ko'ra olmayman. That is the language that we can communicate. Okay? And then you can hide the annotation just using this one. This I. We had bir ko'znak bor. Undan keyindan endi nima qila olasizlar deganda mana ustiga jijimay turinglar. You can do various things, like for example, look at the code and start simulation. That means taqlidni boshlayapsizlar, kodini echish va yepish. Kodini echish va yepish kod, taqlid, start simulation. And then skin is that. This is like toy. This is like a game. You can create various different stuff. Just drag a component and just leave it here so that you can create various different sensors, various different components, and you can create a system. That is very nice. Okay. Then, okay, we will talk this one a bit later. We will go back to this. That's the Tinkercad. So this is our main thing. Just Tinkercad. And you should get the slide from our website. So this is the website, second class. This is Mäڭگۆتەk second class, second lecture. So you can get this link, and then we already put the PDF slide as well. Okay, so you can get this link and all the lectures we will just provide it to you. Okay, we will do the competition. Are you ready?
Yes.
Sizlar tayyormi? Musobaqa boshlashga az qoldi. Hamda musobaqa qilamiz. Yaxshi, yaxshi. Sizlarga shu chatga avatib beramiz linkini. Just hozir tayyor bo'lib turinglar. Qaranglar, har xil darslarni o'rgandik. Ashlarimiz o'yinib turinglar. Nimalarni o'rgandik? Xilji narsalarni o'rgandik hozir. Allaqachon. Har xil ma'nosini, ismini tushunami? Sezgich and the digital input, raqamlar kirish chiqish. We just started, but it's good to understand them. That's all, Zaman. We are just going to start.
Müəllim, müsabiqəni hazır yollab verəmsiz?
Share qilma. Yeah, we sent. So you should get the link. You got it? Yeah, we sent the link. Yes, please join. Now a lot of students, they joined. So now we're going to start. We will wait for you. Ekrana cicimay
Müəllim, mən girdim.
Okay, our second part of lecture is the example. Dersimizdeki ikinci kısımlık kısmı bir misal bilen tushundirish sizlarga amaliy. I will give you time to do the simulation. So you can listen to the lecture now, 10 minutes, and then we will do simulation. Oldi bilan darsni bir so'zlaymiz, undan keyin sizlar amaliy mashq qilib baqsizlar. Shoma darsni yaxshi anglanglar. Please listen to the lecture. And this is about just LED and it was in the quiz. Bu LED to'g'riliq chiroq yoki zinna chiroq deb ataydi. Endi musobaqada mushu bor. Har qaysiniki tutishi qanday bo'lish kerak debchi. LED normal LED LED deb oldi. This is English one. Bu Uyg'urchasi. Buniki ikki puti bor. Birisi uzun, yana birisi qisqa. Qisqasini katod deydi, uzunni anod deydi. It has two pins LED. Chiroq. Oddiy chiroq bo'lgan bilan-chi, shunda muhim. O'ylab baqsaq, burun chiroq yo'q vaqtida shamni ishlatadi. Hozir ma chiroq bor, nur chachidi. Oddiy bir narsa bilan bizning turmushimiz intayin qulaylik bo'ldi. It looks like simple, but it solved so many problems. So don't worry that, oh, this is just one LED, but it has a lot of benefit. So we need to know how we use it. Buni qanday ishlatishni bilishimiz kerak, garchi oddiy bo'lsa-mu. Buningki ikki puti bor. Short cathode, qisqa bo'lgani cathode bo'ldi, uning keyin buni ground qo'yamiz. Uzun putini anode bo'ldi, uni voltage, ya'ni 5 volt qo'yamiz. Ya qaranglar, buni uzunni anode deydi, qisqasini cathode, cathodeni yag qo'yamiz, uzunni voltagega 5 voltga. Yes, short one cathode negative. Long one, anode, positive. So this should not switched. So one or two questions is about this LED. Ikki savol, mush LED to'g'riliq. Quizda man yaxshi tushunmasanglar, musobaqada o'tib chiqsizlar. Buni qilganlar 35%, 25% to'g'ri qilibdi. Second time, you can do better. So this is just a LED. And then we need one resistor. Bunun bir qarshilik lozim. Bo'lmasa tok iqimit yuqori bo'lib, nima besimi, tok besimi yuqori bo'lib, LED uzun paylamaydi. Yo uzun umr ko'rolmaydi. Desa ham bo'ldi. Bu zinnat chirog'ini yoki chiroqni qo'g'dash uchun bir qarshilik lozim. Shunlashqa buniki tok unchalik yuqori emas. The electricity on the Arduino board is not too high, just a 5 volt, but it's we need one resistor. Even it's not too high, but LED is already small. LED kichik bo'lg'achqa unga oz miqdor tok ketadi. Qizil chiroqqa 2 volt ketadi. Oq chiroq bo'lsa 3.5 volt ketadi. Shunga o'xshamaydi. Shunga inta az. Lekin Arduino boardning o'zida 5 volt bor. Shunlashqa ma qarshilikni tuvalatishimiz kerak. Because the red LED only takes 2 volt. And but the Arduino board has 5 volt. So we need to reduce voltage on LED. So we need a resistor. Resistor to'g'riliq bir musobaqa savoli bor. Qarshilik to'g'riliq. We have one question about a resistor. Why we use a resistor? The reason we want LED live longer, not shorter. Qarshilik bo'lmasa umri qisqa bo'ldi. It's short. Qarshilik bo'lsa umri uzun bo'ldi, long. Bu musobaqadagi ikki savol mush to'g'riliq. Ikki savol qarshilik to'g'riliq, ikki savol LED to'g'riliq. Shunlashqa mush savollarni yaxshi bilib olsanglar, ma'nosini shundan bilan sizlar buni to'g'ri ishlay olasizlar degan gap. Okay, be ready for next challenge. Ikkinchi qatam yana musobaqa qilamiz hali. Oldi bilan biz buni Tinkercad'da simulate qilib boqamiz. Andin demak ekranga rasm chizmanglar. Ekran rasm chizsanglar xato tutish bo'ldi. resim sızgan bala toxtutun ha. Bunu Arduino deymiz. Bu Arduino board. Onu qanchalik qarshilik getirdi degan chaqda 220 ohm.
Evet Hamza.
Ohm emas. Şuna eli mashina ishlatsizlar. You need to understand why you use a resistor. Şuna qarshilikni nima uchun ishlatamiz deganni men bilishinglar kerak. Ondan keyin qarshilikni qancha tikka qarshilikni ishlatishimiz kerak degan chaqda faqatla 220 ohm. Bo'lamdi? This is about a question. Okay, we will start simulation. Ihsan going to give you some explanation about code and then show it with the Tinkercad. So just wait a second, okay? Now Ihsan teacher will take over.
Assalamu alaikum.
Aleyküm selam.
وعليكم السلام.
Aleyküm selam. Selamünaleyküm. Aleyküm selam.
Aleyküm selam.
وعليكم السلام.
Endi men sizlarga Tinkercad'ni ko'rsatib qanday qo'llanishni. Endi sizlar menga akishib qilsanglar mayli.
Benim ekran yok.
Mana men hozir ekronni ko'rsataman. Men hozir ekronni ko'rsatay. Biraz asta. Endi men sizlarga qanday chiroqni Arduino ishlatib chiroqni yondirishni ko'rsatib qo'yaman. Endi Arduino'ni shu Tinkercad'ga kirsanlar, sizlar Arduino'ni misherini topa olasizlar. Misherini tartibla kira olasizlar. Mana qarasangiz bu Arduino Uno. Mishega qarasanglar, mishega qarasang bu raqamni kirgizish, ya'ni digital input. Yani biz misheni ishlatib, biz Arduino'dan bir sonliq signal olamiz. Endi biz breadboard, yani Tokyo tahtasını ishlatishni o'rganamiz. Ma mishe qarasanglar, mishada buna chiqib bu chiplar hammaga sim. So if you look at the breadboard, all of these dots are connected because they're by wires. And the bottom one, they're connected like horizontally. So they're connected like this. Each row is connected like this. So the positive is connected like this. And the negative is connected like this. Oops. The negative is connected like this. And qarasanglar, plus va minus bunday aslida tuzda ustunma o'xshash. Shu yerdami o'xshash. Mush yo'lda tutishida bunday. Endi şu o'tiroq qarasanglar, şu üst tarafini tutishidi. Yani mishega qarasanglar, bu simlar buni tutishidi. Yani bu bir tutash. Bu bir tutash, endi bu ham bir tutash. Mesela biz şu ground olayli, yani biz let's connect the ground to the breadboard. And qarasangiz, shuni hammasi, and if you look over here, all of this is connected to ground. Yani bir şey qarasanglar, bunun hammasi yerga tutash hozir. And then mesela biz chiroq qo'shaylik. And then if we could, and so if you look over here, all these dots in this line, they're all connected, which means this is connected to negative right now. The anode, the cathode is connected to negative right now. And now let's say we connect this. Now let's change the color of the wire. If we connect this over here, you can see that all these dots are connected. And the biz muşunu ulusak, karşısına muşunu hemisi muşu çıktılar hemisi ulaklı. Çünkü hemisi bir isim. Yani muşu hazır, muşu anod 13 tutaş. So this is the setup you need for the code to work. And the code için muşu nasıl lazım? And the code basınlar, bana blocks'la çıkıyor. Biz mişe karşısında işkita forever dediğim bir block var. Şunun için aksi her toxtama 101 vardı. Her simulation başlansana, şu toxtama 101 vardı. And biz code name'de. And the block forever, it happens forever as long as the simulation is running. So now we're going to learn how to use signals, how to connect the pins to the output. We're going to learn how to connect the pins to the light. And now if we look over here, we can see that the light is connected to 13. Yani biz bir şey karşısında bu şu çırak hazır 13. putka tutaş. Yani bu şu çırak 13 tutaş. And şu an bu şu 13 boş gerek. 13'ün için biz 13 tutaştırıyoruz gerek. Code noted. So if you want to connect, if you want to send the signal to the light, we have to make sure that the pin number is set to 13. Now, do we know high means turn on, like send the signal, and low is to like not send the signal, like no signal. Now, if you click control, you can see it says wait for 1 second. Now, if we click if we just click the code, we can see that the light is on. It's in danger. Why? Because there's no resistor. You have to connect the resistor. And hazır xatarlik kuyuş mümkün. Çünkü nümlite biz resistor tutaşmıyoruz. And so right now we're going to connect the resistor. So here's the resistor. Now üstüge parçalanlar biz bunu tüyültalıyız. So if you look at the top, we can rotate it, or you can just click R. So here. Now if we look over here, we can see that the pin 13 is connected to the resistor. So that means this slows the electricity, and the resistor is connected to this column. So that means all of these lines are connected to the resistor, which means that the electricity is now slower. Now, if we run the simulation, we'll see that the light is running. So that's good. Now, I want the light to turn off. So how do I do that? Well, I have to tell the code to turn off the light. Ben çırakla 3 aygın var. Çırakla 3 aygın izmekçi olsa biz kodunu değiştirmemiz gerek. And biz bunu and now we have to choose 13 because this connected to 13. Yani biz çırakla kontrol kılmakçı olsak biz 13'ü çalışmamız gerek. And the low'unu bassak, loading off Arduino tilde. And then wait 1 second question mark. Because we need to add our wait 1 second block, because if we just turn the light off and it immediately turns back on, because the forever loop goes back to the beginning once you reach the end. Biz bunu arka birisini saklana koşuyoruz gerek. Çünkü müşü bloke, müşü ahırga bağlandı bu 5'e kayıtı berip kayıtı kıldı. Yani aldı öyle çırakını yandırdı. Birisini saklaydı. Çırakını bir üçüyordu da, anda yeni birisini saklaydı. Anda kayıtı 5'e kıldı. Okay, so if we run the code now, if we run the simulation now, we see that the light turns on for 1 second, it turns off for 1 second, and turns on for 1 second. And karşısına biz görüyoruz ki biz hep çırak bir sekund yandı, and bir sekund açıldı. Now we're going to do that in real life. And now Lutfullah will show you how to do it in real life.
IRL.
Yeah.
Yes.
Today, Assalamualaikum and Adam. Begin with today we're making a traffic light out of Arduino. So you'll need 3 220 ohm resistors and 4 wires. 4 wires. And USB to attach the LED to attach the Arduino board to the computer and an Arduino board. And at last you need a breadboard. First thing, you plug the LED to the breadboard. You take the resistor. You make sure which one's cathode. So I'm putting the cathode to the right side right now. They don't know which one's cathode and which one's anode. So I will attach the anode and cathode to the ground right over here. And now you just double check so the LED won't work, so the LED won't will work. So you check that out. Then we attach the anode to the digital pins. So I'll attach the red to 13. Oops, I put it in the wrong order. Like that. You attach the yellow one to 12. And attach the green LED to 11. For the last thing you touch, if you look over here, the ground pin is over here. You attach that to the ground. And now for the code. And yeah, and then we take the Arduino thing, and then we attach it to the computer. Now we attach the
Ayaklarım bilindi. Muallim
Ama
ekranı.
kamerayı
Ustaz ekran
kamera
bitirdi.
tıkırdatınla
Ekran bitti. Ekran yok. Ustaz ekran
kamera
yok.
gitti.
Kamera gitti.
Aslında ilk çaktılar.
Biz YouTube gittimiz.
Biz kameranı biz yan bir hata nafsidin kullanmak. Bak hem de çıktı da. Kameranı açalım. Kameranı açalım.
No, I don't need to open it. Other than that, what are you doing IDE?
Buna bağlı. Niye mi?
What are you doing IDE?
Kompüterga tutashtiramiz USB qismiga. Kompüter
Tamam,
tutuşudu. Uning keyindan yana bir qismi Arduino board tutuşudu. Hozir bugungi qilgan mashq nima degan chog'da 3 tal chiroqdan foydalanib ko'cha chirog'ini ishlatish. Ha?
Endi biz hozir men sizga kodni
Lutfulla hozir kodini sizga tushuntirib bermoqchi.
oldin biz void setup qilamiz. Oops, hadi bo'ldi. Endi biz pen modini qo'shamiz.
Satip.
Kodini ishlatsangmi bo'ldi, men kodini yazsangmi bo'ldi. Lutfulla kodini yazib bir-bir tushuntiryapti ha.
Oldin biz bizni copy qilib bo'ldi.
Set up degan qism bor. Ya'ni sesimini ulanmalarni initialize qildi, bir-bir tutashtirishni zarur tutashtiramiz degan. Pin mode input qilamiz bu, output qilamiz bu deb yozamiz. Hozir set up degan qismi tugidi, uni ya'ni ashuniki yo'linishni belgilaymiz. Pin mode output bo'ldi, ya'ni chiroqni yondirilgan shaklda. Ikkinchi bo'lak qismi uningki loop, ya'ni to'xtamay mengib turdi degan gap. Kodiniki mana shu Tinkercad kodiniki yoki bo'lmasa Arduino kodining eng muhim shu to'xtamay mengib turgan qismi. Digital write degan gap, shuni yozmiz degan gap. Agar
Ma'ni biz siz bilan ham yozaylikmi?
hozir yozsalar.
Tinkercadda qilsa bo'ldi. Tinkercadda. Biz hozir rasmga yaqinlashchi.
Mana shuni biroz Lutfulla bir ko'kitib o'tmoqchi mana shuni. Uning keyin ashuni yezib tan qilsalar. Bir ko'kitib qo'ysin. Hozir bilan bir buni ko'rsatsa. Uni ikkinchi bo'lak qismi digital write degan yeri bor. Abi men degandim digital write, ya'ni digital input output deb. Digital outputni qanday chiqaramiz degan chog'da digital write orqali. Hozir bu ikkinchi qism bo'ldi. Buni ko'cha chirog'ini qilgan vaqtingizda 3 xil chiroq bor.
3 xil vaqt qilamiz. 3 xil vaqt.
Buningda qizil, yeshil, sariq.
Biz o'nchni biz qizil chiroqni qo'ydik. Qizil chiroq azroq yeshil chiroqdan azroq xush qilamiz. Biz azroq bizni bu degan millisekundda, millisekundda qilsangiz bu degan 2.5 sekund. Unga biz buni yana copy qilamiz.
Chiroqninki yenish yanmaslikni belgilaymiz hamda.
Hozir biz sariq chiroqni ishlatmoqchi. Chunki bu degan azroq vaqt bo'ldi. Sonra bizni bu qadar 2 sekund qilamiz. Ya'ni 1.5 sekund.
1500 ga 1.5 sekund degan gap. Ya'ni 1000 bo'lsa 1 sekund chiqargan, ha? Low desa o'chirish degan gap, high desa yiqish degan gap.
Endi buni bu yerga qatnashamiz, buni upload qilamiz. Lekin hozir biz Arduino boardga
yukladik. Now we upload the code to the Arduino board. This is the code that you wrote on Arduino board, or you can write it on Tinkercad. We will show it on the hardware. Yes, you can see that it's loading. So if there's any problem, you need to check the tools. Yes, now it's all correct. If you look at, then board should be Arduino Mega, and the COM, the port also Arduino Mega. That is what we are using. Share negative. Mana qarsangiz chiroq yonayotdi. Yeshil chiroq, uning keyinda sariq chiroq, mana. koddan qaytishni bilamsiz? İngilizce. Okay. Sizlarga oldi bilan bu shaklda tushuntiryapmiz. Ikki xil shaklda yapara olasizlar. Birsi Tinkercad'da simulate qilib, yana taqlid qilib, ash ishlamdiga, ishlamamdiga deb ashini sinab baxtanglar, uni ehson ko'katdi. Uning keyingisi men Lutfullarning ko'katgini amaliy hardware qilgani. Ash ehsonning qilganini, ash kodlarni ilib, uni mashu nimaga Arduino IDE deganga qo'ysanglar, ashning hammasi ishlay oladi normalda.
Muallim,
Ha?
biz bunu qilsak bu kod yozadigan nerede çıkıyor?
Tinkercad'niki namsizmi? Tinkercad'da kod yozmoqchi bo'lsanglar, buningki men sizga ko'kitib qo'yazdir, ha? Kod degan yeri bor. Mana kichiktirib o'tay. Hozir ehson ma kod degan yeri bor. Kod deganni bossangiz, endi men blocks deb bor, yoki blocks and text, yoki text deb bor. Agar kodini o'zgartmoqchi bo'lsanglar, kodini mishaga yozish kerak Lutfullarnikidekchi. Yoki bo'lmasa text deb olsanglar, bu blocks yo'q bo'lib ketadi. Mishaga keyin ko'kitimiz bu tafsilotini. Mish blocksni qanday ishlatamiz? Undan qanday bir narsa yasay olasizlar deganicha. Mishada blocksni qilib bo'lgandan keyin mishadan copy qilib ilib, aning keyindan Arduino ko'chiramiz. Buni keyin so'zlaymiz. Hozircha muhimi nima degan chaqda, o'sha Tinkercad'ni ishlatishni o'rganib turinglar. Agar burun bildiganlar yoki shu Arduino hardware yani shu narsalar uskunlar bog'liq bo'lsa, siz shuni amaliy sinab qilib baxsangiz bo'ldi.
Ustaz,
To'rda amaliy chiqarib qo'yamiz. Har bir qadam bosqichlarini, ya'ni Tinkercad'ni ishlatsak qanday qilamiz? Tafsilotini sizlarga to'rdan yo'llab beramiz. Uning keyindan amaliy shu qattiq detalni ishlatmoqchi bo'lsak, zoda qanday o'sha Tinkercad'dagi kodlarni shu Arduino IDE deganga yo'tkab ilib, ashlarni ishlata olamiz deganicha. Ashning tafsilotini avatib beramiz. Sizlar ashni sinaysizlar. Muhimi shu bugungi darslarni amalvab ash to'g'rida biz avatganimiz bo'yicha takror qilsizlar. Sizlarga hozir yana 5 minutdak oxirida yana bir musobaqa bor. Ash abim qilgan musobaqani qaytadan takrorlaymiz. Uning keyin darsimiz bugungi dars tugaydi, ammo yana ozroq vaqt, yarim soat vaqt berib sizlarning masala va ashta qilsak bo'ldi. Email diqqat qilinglar. Unda bo'lsa shu Tinkercad'dagi biz o'tgan shu narsalarni yaxshi qo'yinglar. Ehson buni tushundida, shu kod. Uning keyindan amaliy qilgan ish nima degan chaqda qatnashchilig'i yasash. Amal birini yasab qo'yganlar bo'lamdi. Ya'ni traffic light qatnashchilig'i. Oldi bilan Tinkercad yasab qo'yib, ehsonning qilganda, uning keyindan shu nimada amaliy sinab baxsangiz bo'ldi agar bor bo'lsa. Bu intayin yaxshi. Sizlar taxib endi boshlablar traffic lightni yasay oladigan bo'lib ketsizlar. Onun uchun qanchalik narsa ketadi degancha oldi bilan buniki mavzusini qo'yinglar. Miyada buniki mavzusi bor. Yuqori so'l taraf qarasanglar Tinkercad'ningki mavzu title. Siz onanki title qismini yasay olasizlar.
muallim.
Uning keyindan shu chiroqni yasab chiqsanglar bo'ldi. 3 chiroqni qo'yib, shu qarshilikni qo'yib yasaysizlar. Uning keyinda savolingiz bo'lsanglar izohat yozish. Sizlar miyada shu bir xat yozgan daftardak turdi. Sizlar xat yozib qilib qo'ysanglar men ko'ra olmayman. Sizlar nima ish qilyapsizlar? Uning keyindan nima savolingiz bor? Ashna hamma yozib qo'ysanglar bo'ldi. Izohat yozish. Comments. Izohat yozish. Comments. Commentsni you can write your comments any place. If you put that one to here or any other place, you can see it. Okay? So two important things.
Siz-
Any question?
Maluma ekranı göstermedi de Tinkerboard ne?
Ekranınız hata gösterdi. Hata ekranı gösterdi.
Tinkercad
Arduino çıkmadı dostuz.
Ben bütün ekranı share qılattım. Yaxshi. Abim ani ichib tikanda. Undan so'ng men qaytib ko'ksib qo'y ya, abim deganimni. Qatnashchiligini yasab baqsizlar, qildigan ish. Undan keyindan buni muhimi mavzu. Ashuni mavzusini qo'ysanglar, ko'cha chirig'i deb uyg'urcha yozamsizlar, turkchami, germanchami misha yozsanglar bo'ldi, uniki mavzusi. Mushu ko'cha chirig'ini yasash sizlarga topshiriq. Undan keyindan agar bir masalaga yo'liqsanglar, izohat yozib qo'yinglar, comments. If you have any problems, you can just write comments. This is a notebook. You can just click and put it, and you can write it. Agar any har qanday bir masala bo'lsa, biz uni ko'ra olamiz, and sizga ham xat yoza olamiz. We also can comment back as well. So you can just use the notebook, and you can write the comments. So this is today's work. And you can do the Tinkercad simulation. And if you have hardware, you can just work on the hardware. Now we will start the next part of the competition again. So this time it will be longer. Musabaqani qayta boshlaymiz. Abiyam